NoodleTools is a citation management program that NU Library subscribes to. In our video, Getting Started with NoodleTools, we showed you how to set up your free account and how to create a project. Now we'll add note cards, which can be used to make notes or add quotations that you want to use from your source. It's a nice way to keep track of the information that you plan to use in your paper. When I log into NoodleTools, I'm on the Projects page. I have a different project for each paper or assignment that I'm working on. In this example, I'll work with the project called Harry Potter Essay. To add a note card to this project, I'll click the note cards icon, which are these orange squares. This takes me to a blank screen because I don't have any note cards yet. So to create one, I'll click the green New Note Card button. Then I'll name the note card something that relates to what I'm writing about so that I can easily find it later. And I can indicate which source the note is based on. In our other NoodleTools video on adding sources and managing citations, I added 2 sources to this project already, so I can choose between those. In this case, it's from the first article, Using Harry Potter to Teach Literacy. And then you can add different kinds of information. This could include a word-for-word quote under this heading Direct Quotation. I could also write my own summary, either of the specific quote or relating to something else that was in the article. And I could also write about any of my own ideas that were sparked from this source. Then I click Save and Close. Now on the Note Cards page, I see the one note I just made. But let's add one more just so you can see how the screen looks then. Now when I click Save and Close, notice that only the new note card is shown. That's because NoodleTools treats the note cards like actual physical cards that you could lay out on a desk. In this case, they're stacked one on top of the other with the newest one on top. So I can just click and drag it so that it's next to the other note. So if you prefer to have all your notes visible at the same time, just make sure to click and drag in order to move them after you create each one. Now you know how to take notes with NoodleTools. Make sure to watch our other videos to learn how to add sources and create citations, and how to share and collaborate. In the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to contact NU Library for assistance.